Reasons to Smile, sponsored by Reisinger and Vols Orthodontic Specialists.
All right, here's a reason to smile. This past Saturday, before the cattle auction even got underway, love took center stage at the sale barn in Kirbyville. This is a Southeast Texas love story right here. John, he surprised Amber with a special question, asking if she would marry him. And her answer, a big yes, of course. The two are now engaged right there at the sale barn. Just goes to show you, you never know what you might find on sale day in East Texas. Very sweet right there. And share your reason to smile with us. Just text us your story and photos to 409-838-1212 so that we can share what's making you smile with all of Southeast Texas. I don't think about popping the question at an auction, but yeah. I mean, it's romantic, and so just do it.
It works.
Yes,
People
it does.
do it fast food places, wherever.
Yep.
Yeah. If they're in love, it's just time to say it.
That's right.
Oh. Thanks for watching.